has any tacky layer at all. So I'm gonna do add is burning heart and just dab it in. You can dab it wherever you want. It's randomly. You can do it more than just one layer. And then we are going to go ahead and add filling blue. You can also random add wherever you would like. And keep in mind, it's really simple. You will never go wrong with this, I promise. As far as that, oh my gosh, you don't know how to do all the style, it's gonna do everything for you. And don't forget, this is the keys to get your fusioning. So this is just the colors that we're doing is red, white, and blue for just the theme of this week for July 4. However, you can do so many other colors. You can do delights, which is yellows, and you can do is purple, which is magentics, and you can do is passionate, which is pink. You can do however you would like. Always have a piece of papers on the sides, and I'm going to pick up the number 12, a crystal clear. And then just load your bristle just a little bit. You don't want to get it's like absolutely is saturated. You want to just like get enough of yours is crystal clear. And wipe off my brush before I dip it back into the bottle of crystal clear to avoiding a lot of contaminate. And you can continue doing with other veins as well. I like that a lot though. It's really two colors. And here's a really is easy tip and trick when you want to do your veins. You're going to do it like from outside toward to inside. So then you can pretty much guide your veining on your marbles easier. Just keep in mind, don't load a lot of fusioning, just enough. Then you can work away along with that. Wipe it off first. Dip it back into the crystal clear. You can see that it's easy to create this vein the way you want it. And wipe off the bristles and start it again. And it's this process, it doesn't take a long time at all. So then it looks like it's take a little bit longer because I will do it slow. So then we can all learn it together. This is really cool. It's gonna be a stunning for if yours like doing is super cute July 4 butterflies here, or you can add crystal placements on. Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for tuning in. Very cool though. You can even like precise and sharpen it, yours veins however you want. Hope you all have a fabulous Wednesday. I'm so excited to be back with another tutorial. Hello YouTube's viewer, Facebook viewers, Instagram, and of course TikTok. Actually, it looks really cool though. It looks really stunning though. I'm gonna blend it right in the cuticles just nicely. All right, so now if you want to be just a little bit, you can add just a little bit. If you want to get more, you can add more. It just depends on your preference and your client's preference. And then if you're happy with this, you can definitely top coat it and keep for 60 seconds and you are good to go. You see that how I clean the brush here, so then it won't pick up all the residues, all the pigments back into the bottles. Hey Mika, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. I just want to make sure I say hi to everyone. I'm so excited to get all of you here. Happy Wednesday. All right, so let's get started. We'll move on to the next. I am going to add some crystal placements, and it's really excited because I got it from is a 4-color kit. It's come with your blue with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shape. And then is golden. It have 5 shape as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is a rose gold. It's also come in 5 different shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then of course I love the crimsons as well. It's come also with 5 different shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're gonna see I'm going to using is shields shape with the heart. And also, I also using a super cute drop from Transcended Crystal Kit. This one right here. So let's get started with condensed glue gels. And then we are going to apply really is a thin coat, not too thick, not too thin. And at first when you apply the condensed glue gels is going to look like have a little bit lumpy. It's not even at all, which is normal. For a lot of questions asking, for a lot of you, I have the question asking us if you know you have your crystal is coming off, which the best you know glue gels for. The condensed glue gels, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gels is the 3-step methods from Glitz Subscription and such will help definitely hold all of your crystal from a flat backs to chain charm to 3D. And all the charms, all the beads, it will stay on the nails until next time your clients is come in and get it done again. So we want to add is no wipe top coat on. So now keep in mind, if you want to be matte look, you can add the matte gel polish finish. And this one I am going to do a shiny one. I'm loving this look. And you can add, like if the clients don't want anything, you can just adding a no wipe top coat here for 60 seconds. You are good to go. However, the clients want some more crystal on it, we're gonna add some crystal on. And I have really cute simple ones here. I'm gonna start with a centerpiece, which is that's a shield shape from a 4-color kit. It's had everything in this kit that you need for the crystal placement throughout the year. I'm not using that drop from the Transcended Crystal Kit. And I'm gonna add some is ocean blue. And this is little SS come with your 4-color kits as well. So you get 1 pack of yours is rose gold. You get 1 pack of yours, 1 pack of 1,400 pieces of rose gold. Yours is ocean blue, crimsons, and then golds, and also that's totally 4 of them. Let's add some beads on. You see how simple and easy it is? I'm so excited to go back. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this look. You know, the fusioning this make is really cool. And then again, a lot of you like to just fusionings alone. Some of you have the clients love to add crystal on. My clients love to have add more crystal on it. More is better. And I start with the centerpiece, which is the shield first, and then you add other shape along with this. And for this nails, it's beautiful when you have is 3 cool techniques going on here. You get your fusioning and then crystal placements, like 2 techniques. What if you're not counting the adding or beads on it? So like 2 techniques. You still see the background of it. It gets so beautiful. It looks